In this video we're going to look at attaching the scratch plate, the control panel and any other hardware to the body of the TL-1. We won't do the bridge yet because we need to put the neck on before we do that. So the scratch plate, the control panel and the output jack need to be screwed into the body of the TL-1. Let's do that now. Okay, for this job we obviously need the scratch plate and the control panel, which are already set up. We need our bag of screws, we need a screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and we need a power drill or a hand drill, whatever you've got access to. Now in your bag of tricks you'll see you've got a different selection of screws. Okay, so with the scratch plate you'll see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 primary holes, so we need 8 screws. And in our bag there are actually 10. So we'll grab 8 aside. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to drill these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes. And to do that we've got our drill bit. We've measured our drill bit against our screws and it's a 1.5mm. And we've taped to the length of the screw. So if I hold that up there, you'll see the screw is the same length as the drill bit to the masking tape. That way we won't actually go any deeper than we need to. So all you need to do is find the centre and drill carefully till you reach the tape. And you do that with all 8 of those. Okay, so we've drilled the 8 holes. And we'll just lift that up and get rid of any dust. Put that back in place, and now we need to screw the scratch plate in. So just grab your Phillips head screwdriver to the screw, and you'll be able to feel for the hole there. Just move the scratch plate around, there you go. And as easy as that. Not too tight, you don't want to strip the thread. Just there you go. And you repeat that with the other 7. Okay, and now for the last screw. There you go, not too tight, just check all of those. Get rid of our drill. We'll grab the neck again and we'll make sure that we're still okay there. And look at that, there's a perfect fit. So once the neck's in place it shouldn't be able to move around at all. Okay, we've got our 8 screws in now and the scratch plate's nice and firmly in place. Matches beautifully with the pickup. We've checked the neck, we've put the neck in there like that. It fits nice and snugly and doesn't move around. So I'm happy with the scratch plate. You notice we've got 2 screws left over. 1, 2. They don't go in here. They are access points to move the screws that raise and lower the pickup. And if you raise the pickup closer to the strings, you're going to get more gain, better volume. So you'll need a jeweler's screwdriver to access that. So we'll leave that, that's fine. These 2 screws are for the control panel down here. Okay, so that's nicely in place. Rested up beautifully against the pick guard there. So what we need to do again is drill. Same length we got, so we can keep that tape on there. The centre of the hole. That simple. Centre of the hole. Blow away all the dust and there you go. Just screw those in. Not over tight. Just firm. 1, 2. And there you go. So we've got our control panel in place. That looks good. Volume, tone, all feels great. Pickups are nicely set, and we'll look at the bridge a bit later when we put the neck on. Now there's another thing we have to attach, and I'll move the guitar around so you can see, And that's the output jack. See, it's dangling out here, which we left when we did the wiring. There you go, we've got that nicely firmly in place now. And the same deal, we just need to screw that in. So we need to look for 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screw holes there. So let's go and look for those. And I don't know if you can see that, but sure enough in the bag there's a separate little section there with 4 screws. So that's for the output jack. We'll open that up. And we'll tip those out. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Alright, so the same deal. We just need to drill those. We'll just check they're the same size. So grab our drill bit and our screws. Yep. They're the same size screws as the scratch plate. So just when we lift up the guitar, just be careful. You need to hold on to the bridge plate so the bridge pickup doesn't jump out at you. And it's a bit tricky. I might just do this off camera. So there you go, there's our last screw going in for the output jack, and that's going in nicely. Remember, not too tight, you don't want to strip the actual thread. So there you go. And there's our output jack, nicely set up. Nice and steady, that won't be going anywhere. Alright, so that's the body basically set up except for the bridge, which we will deal with later.